In my last session, students, I think I already started with the new theory and we've discussed I think half answer has already been
Morning, ma'am.
given. Good morning, Farhan. Good morning.
Good
I'm just
morning,
sharing.
ma'am.
Good morning, Aditya. I'm sharing the screen. You tell me where did I stop last time? I
Yes, ma'am.
believe half theory was already done. Okay. Oh yeah, we had a very interesting example where Sejal was our boss
Yes,
and
ma'am.
uh, right. You remember that example?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Sejal, Farhan, Aditya, and you.
Yeah, yeah. So this theory is a very interesting theory. It suggests that people would want to be treated fairly at the workplace. I mean, at least equal. All right, and we have seen that how people compare their inputs versus comparison others' input. Okay, and what are the outcomes offered by the employer? Who is my comparison other? Someone who is working with me with an equivalent qualification and experience. Okay. So, for instance, I, Farhan, and Aditya, we all three of us are BCom graduates, okay, and 2 years of experience, okay, from the same industry background. All right. And we have similar kind of skill sets like we know computer, we are good in communication, all three of us. So when we are giving equal inputs, okay, what is the outcome? Okay, how the employer is treating three of us in terms of salary payments, in terms of incentives, in terms of any other benefits. Okay, um, in yesterday's example, I also shared you not necessary equal treatment only in place of only in the area of compensation. No, equal treatment even in other areas. Like I gave you example like how Sejal, as our boss, she shouted me in front of everyone when I reported late. Okay, she very politely said to Aditya, okay, that don't be late next time. Okay, and to Farhan, she asked him to come inside the cabin, and she might have said very polite. Okay. So here also the treatment is not equal. So equal treatment not only in the area of salary or compensation. Okay. Equal treatment in every area in terms of opportunities offered, in terms of how you treat us when there is any disciplinary issues, in terms of how judiciously you are using the power on all of us, right? So equal treatment everywhere. I think we have also completed till here. I think these 4 points were done, right? Um, People in organizations form perception about equity of their treatment through 4 steps. Okay. Firstly, they are going to evaluate how they are treated. Secondly, they are going to make a perception about how comparison other is being treated, right? So first what I do is I see how Sejal is treating me. Then I'm seeing how Sejal is treating Farhan and Aditya, right? Then third, I'm going to form an impression, okay? Whether this was an equal treatment or whether this was an unequal treatment, okay? And then the fourth step is I will decide, okay, based on this treatment. If I feel that, I was being treated equally, I would happily continue working in the organization, right? But what if I feel that, I was not equally treated? Okay? I might just take up some bold decision. I don't want to work with a company where, my bosses or where the management is not treating equal to everyone. I hope you remember this 4 step process. It is very simple, students.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So we take the answer ahead. Let us very quickly. This is a small conclusion part, and then responses to equity and inequity, and lastly, if assessment of this theory. Okay, Meg, can you read from here the structure of equity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
The structure of equity in the workplace is based on the ratio of input to outcomes. Input are the individual's outcome individuals' contribution to the organization, such factors as education, experience, effort, and loyalty. Outcomes are what the person receives in return: pay, recognition, social relations, intrinsic rewards, etc. In effect, then this part of the equity process is essentially a personal assessment of one's psychological contract. A person's assessment of inputs and outputs are both self and others are based partly on objective data. For example, the person own salary and partly on perception, such as the comparison other levels of recognition. The equity comparison thus takes the following form: outcome
Hi,
self.
hi, you can complete this till here. Yeah, yeah. Continue.
Yes, ma'am. Outcome self, outcomes other, input self, input others. Compared with, if the two sides of this psychological equation are comparable, the person experiences a feeling of equity. If the two sides do not balance, a feeling of inequality results. However, a perception of equity does not require that the perceived outcomes and inputs be equal, but only that the ratios be same.
Okay, I think very beautifully it is explained here that, how are we assessing equity or inequity? We compare, ourselves, okay, our inputs of ourselves with the inputs of others. Okay. What is the input, students? It is clearly mentioned here. See, all these things that we bring to the company. Okay, that is, I'm just highlighting over here. Yeah, education, our experience, our efforts, our loyalty, our skills, our intelligence, our ideas, all these are inputs. Okay. So we bring this input to the company. We start comparing what are the inputs brought by the others. Okay. And then we also try to compare what outcomes I am getting. See, I'm highlighting the outcome also. Yeah. So outcome can be pay, recognition, social relationship. अभी ये जो सेजल वाला example था ना, shouting me but not shouting Farhan and Aditya, this was based on social relationship. Okay, it was not based on whether we are getting equal payment or not. Okay, so your social relationship, rewards that we get, incentives that we get. So I'm going to start comparing what outcome I am getting and what outcome Farhan and Aditya are getting. Okay. So if it is compared, and I will have some psychological, equation. Students, some things may not require, proper, accurate calculations. Okay. Sometimes we start having a psychological comparison. Okay. For example, at home also, when we feel that, we are not treated equally, does not mean there should be some logical answer behind it. Okay, we as humans, we try to find that logical answers. There are no logical answers to this. This is our perception, students. Okay, I think last year I have taught you this. Perception is something which is which what you have thought may not be necessarily true. Okay, आपने कुछ सोच रखा है जो कि सही नहीं भी हो सकता है. For example, I might feel that, I am not given that much privileges what my brother is given because he is a male child. Okay, ये गलत भी हो सकता है, ये मैंने फ्रेम किया है मेरे माइंड में. This base is something because I've been since childhood. I know that, this country, we have been studying also in the books. India is predominantly a pay, it's a male dominant society. ये तो मैंने एक परसेप्शन बना के रखा हुआ है. मैं शायद है ना, if my mother is not allowing me to go outside late, okay, late night, if she's not allowing me to go, but she's allowing my brother to go, I might start feeling that, it is an unequal treatment. Not necessary, students. My mother is not allowing me to go outside late to enable my safety and security. Okay, so that I'm not facing any problem. Therefore, she's not allowing me. But I might perceive it as like, that probably she is doing an unequal treatment between me and my brother. So these are perceptions. Okay. So once you go inside the company, students, you start framing perceptions. Okay. and you start comparing your inputs versus inputs of others, and what outcome you get versus what outcome they are getting. Okay. So, but then if you feel, these two are being comparable, आपको ऐसा लगेगा बैलेंस है, तो you will still work with the company. मुझे डांट पड़ी और अगर फरहान और आदित्य को भी डांट पड़ी, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई विल बी लाइक ओके, उनको भी डांट पड़ा है, ओके, बट सिर्फ मुझे डांट पड़ी और उनको डांट नहीं पड़ी, दिस इज गोइंग टू लीव एन इम्प्रेशन इन माई माइंड दैट that my boss is not treating me, or not treating us equal. So what will be the responses? Okay, once I discover something, या तो equal treatment है या तो unequal treatment है. So what are the responses? Let us see that. It is further explained here. Okay, we
Ma'am,
move on to responses. हाँ बेटा बोलो ना.
ma'am, sorry for interruption. Ma'am, actually Kulsum is trying to log in.
Okay, अरे don't say sorry. Just
Texting
1
me
minute.
to.
But I am not getting. हाँ. Okay. I'm so sorry. See, I said that if I open this sheet, I don't go back to the Zoom. Okay, she is in now.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope there is no difficulty here, students.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right, guys. Here only two things are mentioned. What is the inputs, okay, and what is the outputs. Now let us see, once I discover if it is equity or if it is inequity, what are my responses? Okay. All right.
Responses to equity and inequity. If a person feels equitable treated, he or she is generally motivated to maintain the status quo. Example, he or she will continue to provide the same level of input to the organization as long as his or her outcomes do not change and the ratio of inputs and outcomes of the comparison. Other do not change, but if a person is experiencing inequality, real or imagined, is motivated to reduce it. Moreover, the greater the inequality, the stronger the level of motivation. The following diagram is comparing the following diagram is based on the responses to perception of equity and inequity. People from equity perception by comparing their situation with that of someone else. If they pursue equity, they are motivated to maintain the current situation. If they pursue inequality, they are motivated to use one or more of the strategies shown here to reduce the inequity.
I think here one statement, which is, I'm so sorry. I think here this is type error. Moreover, the greater the equality hona chahiye. The greater the equality, the stronger the level of motivation. Correct, na? Okay.
Yes,
So this
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
Yes,
So this
ma'am.
paragraph is trying to say that, if the person is being treated equally, okay, generally he or she would be very much motivated and will try to maintain the status quo. Now, what is the status quo, students? मेरा एक है ना company में position है. I command a respect, okay, in the organization. मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि वो maintained रहे, है ना? So I continue giving my better inputs so that my outcomes are not affected. मैं अच्छे से अच्छा आइडियाज देती रहूंगी ताकि कंपनी मुझे बेटर से बेटर कंपेंसेशन और अपॉर्चुनिटीज ऑफर करते रहे. ओके, so greater the equality, the stronger would be the motivation level. Okay, and then students, here it is very interestingly written, but if a person is experiencing inequality, see, real or imagined. Okay, real or imagined, matlab, as I just said, I just gave you one example that I just imagined that my mother is treating me unequally. Okay, but I did not find out the reasons for this. You're going to study some few more points in the answer, which will help you to understand why the boss is treating unequal. Okay, we will come to that. Okay, it's not the boss is treating unequal. Okay, it is because that there are certain consequences. Okay, there are certain connection to it, and why the boss is behaving in certain manner. We will come to that in the next paragraph. For now, you just understand that person might experience inequality, which may be real also, but sometimes it can be imaginary also. Okay, in case of which I gave you just general example, that my mother is not allowing me to go late night is just an imaginary, my imaginary thing that my mother is treating unequal. She might be treating us very much equally. This is just because she cares about me and she wants to enable my safety. Therefore, she's not allowing me to go late night. Let us see when you do comparison of self with others. So what will happen? Obviously, if equity is there, there will be motivation to continue with the current situation. Okay, if I experience equity, I will continue working with the company. What if I experience inequality? So what is going to happen? I'm going to further will be motivated to reduce inequality. Students, it's always like, if I experience inequality, immediately मैं थोड़ी ना next दिन जाके अपना resignation दे दूंगी. Correct ना? Do you think Sejal shouted me, so immediately am I going to put up my resignation? No. I will try to reduce that inequality. I will first try to make an attempt to understand why my boss is treating me unequal. ओके, इज इट रियल और इज इट इमेजिनरी? आपके साथ घर में भी ऐसा हो ना, जब आपको लगे कि पेरेंट्स आपको इनइक्वल ट्रीट कर रहे हैं, प्लीज डू नॉट जंप डायरेक्टली टू द कंक्लूजन. ओके, प्लीज फिगर आउट what could be the reason that you feel that you are experiencing this inequality. In this case, where I am not allowed to go late night outside, okay, I should first try to figure out why my mother is not allowing me. Okay, instead of directly jumping to the conclusion, oh, because I am a female child, she's not allowing me. This type of conclusion should not be made. तो अगर मैं inequality experience करूंगी ना स्टूडेंट्स, मैं फर्स्ट कोशिश क्या करूंगी पता है, उस inequality के गैप को reduce करूं. Okay, what are the ways that I can do? Let us see. Okay, I think we will read this. सारे head pointers है ना, ये यहाँ पे explained है. Okay, it's explained here. So we'll read from here. Okay, what if I experience inequality? Okay, point number 1.
They may change their own inputs, like put in lesser efforts into the job if they are paid less.
Okay, if I am having the same experience like Farhan and Aditya, okay, same skill, same kind of qualification, लेकिन उनको सैलरी मेरे से 2000 ज्यादा है, अब मैं क्या करूंगी पता है, just because I realize that the company is paying them 2000 more and not paying me that, so what I will do is I'll start adjusting my inputs. उतने efforts मैं दूंगी नहीं, correct ना, because I will only do what is required. ओके, मैं अपने एफर्ट्स कम डालूंगी क्योंकि मेरे को आउटकम उतना डिजायरेबल नहीं मिल रहा है. स्टूडेंट्स, ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी ना ऐसा होता है कि नहीं, आप भी ऐसे आपने भी सोचा होगा ना कि दिस माइट हैपन दैट इफ आई एम नॉट ट्रीटेड इक्वली, आई माइट नॉट गिव दैट मच इनपुट्स. मीटिंग में पूछा जा रहा है कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग आइडियाज एंड मेरे पास है वो आइडिया, मैं नहीं दूंगी. I will not give it. Why? Because I am experiencing inequality. Because Farhan and Aditya is getting 2000 more. Let them give the ideas. Correct, na? Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Point number 2.
They may change their own outcomes, like try to get more from the organization by demanding increment or pay a rise.
Okay, I might simply open up to my boss Sejal and I'll tell her that please इनको अगर इतना 2000 एक्स्ट्रा है तो वो मुझे भी होना चाहिए, मुझे भी आप इंक्रीमेंट दो या तो मेरा पे राइज. इंक्रीमेंट मतलब इंक्रीज इन द सैलरी, पे राइज इज ऑल्सो सेम. ओके, आप मेरे को एक अच्छा प्रॉपर सैलरी पैकेज पे रख दो, जो उनका है सेम टू सेम मेरे को भी चाहिए. तो फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट आई डू, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू give that much efforts. Second thing, I might open up directly to my boss and will tell her that please give me the equal salary. Or third thing,
They may alter their perception of themselves and their behavior, like after perceiving an inequality, people may change their original self-assessment and decide that they are really contributing less but receiving more than they originally believed. For example, they may feel that they are spending more time in socializing and not actually contributing to the organization.
okay, this can be the most, what do you say, extreme kind side of me, मैं क्या करूँगी पता है? When I experience that they are getting more salary than me, I'll start having a self assessment negative about me. Okay, that हो सकता है that मैं शायद कंपनी में टाइम पास कर रही हूँ. सोशलाइजिंग मीन्स टाइम पास ना. I mean, लोगों से बातें करना, गॉसिप करना, टाइम वेस्ट करना अनप्रोडक्टिव जगह पर. तो मैं क्या करूंगी, मैं एक सेल्फ असेसमेंट खुद के बारे में एक पिक्चर बना लूंगी कि मुझे कंपनी 2000 कम दे रही है, मतलब मेरे में कुछ कमी रहेगा, मेरे में कुछ प्रॉब्लम रहेगा. I might be a time waste. I might be doing time waste at the workplace. Okay, I'm spending too much time on socializing. Can be the reason why companies, paying me less and paying others more. Now, students, this is something which I think 1 out of 100 employees might think like this. Okay, because every employee knows about their strength and weakness and their capabilities. इतना तो आप सबको भी मालूम है कि हम अपना सेल्फ असेसमेंट बहुत अच्छे से करते हैं. हमें खुद को पता होता है कि हमारे में क्या कमियां हैं और हमारे में क्या खूबियां हैं, right? But 1 out of 100 employees might have this kind of perception that okay, company is paying them more because they are better and I am not that better. Okay, ये मेरे को लगता है थर्ड पॉइंट इज वेरी फिलोसफिकल. वेरी रेयर chances that people might think like this. Okay, then what is the fourth point?
They may alter their perception of the comparison, others' input or outcomes. For example, if they feel under-rewarded, they may decide that their comparison other is working more hours and than they originally thought by taking some work home.
अच्छा, मैं अभी क्या करूंगी पता है? मैं ऐसे सोचूंगी कि if I am getting less payment and if Farhan and Aditya is getting more payment, chances are that they are putting extra time to the company. हो सकता है they are taking work also at home. Okay, maybe that is why company is paying them extra. Okay, so therefore I might just not bother much. Okay, I just think that they are putting in more time. इसलिए कंपनी उनको इतना एक्स्ट्रा पेमेंट कर रही है. Again, this is something a very kind side of anyone to to have this kind of assessment. Very rare, but that people will think like this. And lastly,
They may change their object of comparison. They may change their comparison others fairly often.
okay, I will stop comparing only myself with Farhan and Aditya. I might have that feeling that okay, they might possess some extra better qualities which I am not having. Okay, students, do you realize in this answer, when you are experiencing inequality, okay, either you open up with confidence and you talk to your boss for equal payment, or second is you are affecting your own self-esteem. You are evaluating yourself by stating that you are giving less time to the company, your ideas are not great, you are socializing more. देखो आप ये ना, जब भी इनइक्वालिटी एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं ना, हमारा सेल्फ एस्टीम कितना इफेक्ट होता है. घर पे भी ऐसे ही है ना, जब हमको अनइक्वल ट्रीटमेंट फील होता है, हमारा सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस अफेक्टेड होता है ना. स्टूडेंट्स, वी फील बैड, राइट, दैट वी आर नॉट ट्रीटेड इक्वली. हम अंदर ही अंदर बहुत कुछ सोच सोच कर खुद को बहुत ज्यादा अफेक्ट कर लेते हैं, right? We go very deep into the things that why my mom is not treating us equally. और फिर हम लोग है ना, वो एक imaginary world बना लेते हैं, and then we have so many of things that crosses our mind. So students, you have to understand one thing. When you start experiencing inequality, whether at your home or whether at your workplace, please try to evaluate what are the reasons that you are being not treated equally before jumping to the conclusion. Because the answer is clearly stating that one will experience नेगेटिव सेल्फ असेसमेंट. आप खुद को ना नेगेटिव बना लोगे, आप खुद को ना दूसरों से कम समझने लगोगे. अभी आपने देखा ना, ये पॉइंट्स में कैसे लिखा था कि शायद मैं ऐसे समझने लग जाऊं कि वो लोग मुझसे बेटर हैं, या वो लोग ज्यादा टाइम दे रहे हैं, मैं टाइम पास कर रही हूँ कंपनी में. स्टूडेंट्स, कभी भी पता है, मैंने आपको लास्ट ईयर भी पढ़ाया है, do not see yourself as tiny. Okay, do not consider yourself less than anybody else. Okay, nothing is more powerful than your self-confidence and then your self-esteem. Okay, if you will not respect yourself, if you are not going to believe in your dreams, then who will, right? So always remember one thing: if you experience inequality, प्लीज दो साइड्स ऑफ द कॉइन है ना, एक हेड एक टेल। हेड में आपने फर्स्ट लाइन क्या सीखा, या तो आप इनपुट देना कम कर दो और कॉन्फिडेंटली बॉस से पूछो कि गिव मी इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट, या तो अदर साइड यू स्टार्ट हैविंग नेगेटिव सेल्फ असेसमेंट। आई थिंक आई ऑलवेज टेल यू टू गो टुवर्ड्स द हेड साइड। ओके, find out the reason, talk to your boss, okay, open up your communication, and try to build stronger relationship with people, okay, instead या तो अगर आपने वो सेकेंड साइड किया ना, where you start negative self assessment, okay, your self esteem will be affected। आई थिंक काम में या फिर ये आप करियर में आप जो पढ़ाई करते हो, ये सब लेसन से बड़ा है ना लाइफ का लेसन होता है, क्योंकि वो कोई आपको सिखाने नहीं वाला है। ये सारे चैप्टर्स में आप ये सब कुछ सीख लोगे, लेकिन लाइफ के लेसन मैं भी अभी जो आपको बोल रही हूँ, दिस इज जस्ट अ लेक्चर, ओके। आई कैन नॉट रियली काइंड ऑफ टेल यू व्हाट आर द लाइफ लेसन, वो आप खुद एक्सपीरियंस करने वाले हो। वो आप खुद लाइफ में when you go to the next stage, when you start working, when you're an intern, when you work with the organization, when your relationship starts changing with people, when your equation changes, okay, at every different stage of life you're going to meet so many temporary people, okay। अब बहुत सारे टेम्पररी लोगों को आप मिलने वाले हो, ऑल राइट। बट ये डिफरेंट फेजेस ऑफ लाइफ में एक ही चीज आपके साथ हमेशा ये रहेगी, स्टेबल रहेगी, और वो है आप खुद, ओके, यू योरसेल्फ, okay, and you have to make sure that yourself is the best and the beautiful part। Always make sure that your self esteem and your self confidence is never affected because of others, okay? दूसरे आपके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, आप इन चीजों से अफेक्ट नहीं होना है। You have to make sure that your self esteem is always high, and you are respecting yourself more than anyone else। There might be people around you, okay, who might be putting so many negative thoughts in your mind that अरे क्या ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन, इससे क्या वैल्यू है, तुम्हारा करियर क्या होगा, क्या जॉब मिलेगा। Do not listen to all this, okay? You know your capabilities, okay। You might be also meeting your relatives who might be poking their nose, okay, why are you studying this, अब कभी तो तुमको शादी करना ही है, ये सब पढ़ के क्या मिलेगा। I think do not pay attention to all this kind of statements that are being passed by people around, okay। You need to know that you are more than all these things। आप इन सब से बहुत ऊपर हो, okay। All right, very quickly, point number 6, yeah।
They may leave the situation and decide that the only way to feel better about things is to be in a situation altogether. This can be possible by getting transferred to another department or even seeking a new job.
Yeah, lastly, I think if anyone who experiences inequality for a continuous long time will take up a decision that ये मेरे को नहीं लग रहा है कि after putting all the efforts, still I'm not able to have better relation with Sejal, and the company is still giving me less payment, तो मैं क्या करूंगी finally? Either I will ask for a transfer, please you give me transfer in some other company, in some other branch, या तो फिर I will quit the job, okay, and I'll start looking for a new job। I think this is something which I wouldn't advise any of my student, okay, because आप किसी भी company में जाओगे, organizational politics exists, okay। You are going to experience inequality does not mean you kind of quit every time, okay। You need to understand that how would you adjust in this environment, how would you still show yourself better। I think it takes a lot of patience and kindness to continue with hard working, okay, and still proving yourself। I think one day your employer will realize that he or she has been doing wrong, one day Sejal will realize that she's been doing wrong, and they might just change, okay। मैं इवन जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट था ना, मैं इसको भी कभी एडवोकेट नहीं करूंगी। यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पॉइंट देखो ना क्या लिखा हुआ है, आप अपने इनपुट्स कम दे दो, आप अपना है ना जो आइडियाज देने का तरीका वो चेंज कर दो, आप अपना एफर्ट्स कम डालो बिकॉज आपको कम पेमेंट मिल रहा है, ऐसे कभी मत करो। Your job is see, have to remember one thing, our students, wherever you go, whoever is treating you unequal, whatsoever it is, okay, remember the statement now in this lecture and forever in your mind. You are here to do your duty well. आप है ना किसी भी जगह पे जब आप काम करते हो, इट्स योर, आप वहां पे अपना ड्यूटी वेल कर, आप वहां पे अपना ड्यूटी निभाने जा रहे हो. Okay, you're not there to kind of evaluate, only evaluate equity and inequity. Okay, you have to understand that you are here to do your duty well. Nothing is more important than your job. If you are giving 100% to your job, your employer will definitely recognize it, maybe not now, maybe later. Okay, and you will be paid for it. Okay, so मैं ये point number 1 को भी नहीं advocate करूंगी, which states that adjust your inputs. Never do that. Continue giving your best. Okay, I think best दोगे तो best ही मिलेगा. All right, students, इसके बाद में है ना evaluation and implication है, but I guess I stop here because I don't want to put in so much into your mind today. So we started with this theory of equity. We have discussed how different how do we pass through different stages of experiencing equity and inequity, and what can be the responses. Okay. In my next lecture, students, I will complete this, that is evaluation and implication, and then I will start with Bloom's theory of motivation. So that's one more theory, and then the unit will get over. I stop the screen share here. Any difficulty, students, here? Anything that you did not
Ma'am,
understood?
what
beta,
is
bolo na.
intrinsic reward?
Intrinsic rewards. Okay, students, there are two types of rewards: intrinsic and outrinsic rewards. Intrinsic rewards are something which is given by the organization itself. Intrinsic rewards includes incentives, okay, recognition. All right. Extrinsic rewards are which is not necessarily recognized by the company alone. जैसे मैंने अभी कहीं और, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने मेरे को एक सेमिनार के लिए भेजा, मैंने वो सेमिनार अटेंड किया और वहां पे मेरा परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा था, तो मुझे अगर वहां से रिवॉर्ड मिलता है, जैसे एम्प्लॉय ऑफ द मंथ हो गया ना, इंट्रिंसिक रिवॉर्ड. एक्सट्रिंसिक रिवॉर्ड अगर मुझे कहीं पे बेस्ट परफॉर्मर कहीं पे मिलता है इन सम अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ओके, दैट बिकम्स माय एक्सट्रिंसिक रिवॉर्ड्स. There are basically two types of rewards: intrinsic and extrinsic. You have a separate answer for that also. इसलिए मैं डिटेल में गई नहीं.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. I think I stop here for today. And if there is no doubt, uh, you let me know if there is any difficulty. Okay. And I meet you soon in the next class. You all have a nice day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Welcome. Bye. Bye.